The Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 series did not live up to everyone's expectations. It was officially released on April 18th. The configuration and price are very sincere. Let's take a look at the configuration comparison between Mi Pad 6 and Mi Pad 6 Pro, mainly due to differences in CPU, imaging system, battery capacity, and charging speed. Claiming to be a powerful productivity tool really didn't blow. The Snapdragon 8 Plus with 4nm technology is used on the 6 Pro. It is definitely the top one Android tablet. The Tablet 6 uses the Snapdragon 870, although it is a 7nm technology. After all, the high-cost performance is here, and the performance is enough for daily use. Immediately after the launch of the sale, I bought Mi Pad 6 at our local Mi Home. After all, the first sale starts at 1899 yuan or $275. Anyway, I am excited, considering that my needs for using a tablet are watching dramas, office work, video conferencing, and cutting videos. I bought the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 with 8 and 128 gigs version, with a simple white packaging and silver embossing for Xiaomi's logo and product name. Craftsmanship, as a gift, you can't go wrong with giving it to someone or a friend. After opening, there is a non-woven cover to protect the Mi Pad, and Xiaomi is printed in black font, and the details are well done. The following box contains instructions, and the other box contains a 33 watts fast charging head plus an A to C fast charging data cable. Compared with the Tablet 5, there is no need to wait for the event to send a charging head. It is more convenient. I think the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 has to look at the screen first. Both Mi Pad 6 and 6 Pro use an 11-inch 2.8K eye protection screen with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and a 16 by 10 LCD screen. The pixel density of 309 ppi is more delicate than that of the iPad Pro 1.07 billion colors, P3 color gamut. Are you satisfied with the display effect? The screen achieves a high refresh rate of 144 Hz full DC dimming, and every detail of this screen is delicate and eye-catching, making office and creative performance more brilliant. This screen has passed the TÜV Rheinland Low Blue Light certification and the eye protection test of the National Eye Engineering Center. It has double eye protection authority certification. You can choose classic eye protection and paper eye protection. It will not hurt your eyes when you watch it for a long time. More peace of mind. Look at the back, all-metal integrated body, hidden antenna design, available in black, gold and distant mountain blue. Which color do you prefer? Everyone is concerned about the thickness of the tablet. Mi Pad 6 has a body thickness of 6.51 mm and a weight of 490 grams. It is very comfortable to hold and easy to carry in daily life. I give full marks to this ultra-thin line and workmanship. In terms of performance, the CPU uses the Snapdragon 870 with a maximum frequency of 3.2 GHz. Compared with the Snapdragon 865, the CPU performance has increased by 5%, the GPU performance has increased by 15%, and the AI computing power has increased by 50%. The RAM running memory uses LPDDR5, and I chose 8 gigs. The ROM storage memory is UFS 3.1. I think 128 gigs is enough for daily office work and watching dramas. Of course, choosing a large storage capacity will definitely last longer. In terms of camera, the rear camera is 13 megapixels, f2.2 PDAF, and the highest frame rate of rear video shooting, supports 4K 30 FPS video shooting, which is quite satisfactory compared to phones. Take a look at the real shots I took in the afternoon when I got the tablet. I personally feel that the effect is not bad. After all, it is a tablet and cannot be used as the main shooting tool. Mi Pad 6 Pro has a main camera of 50 megapixels and a secondary camera of 2 megapixels depth of field. The front camera uses an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The smart portrait centering function is very practical. The character always stands in the C position. Even if he walks back and forth, he is still in the center of the screen. When someone joins or leaves the screen, the angle of view of the lens will expand or zoom in accordingly. Good for video conferencing. In terms of battery life and charging, the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 has a large battery capacity of 8840 mAh, and the battery life of the model can reach 2.07 days. In particular, Xiaomi launched the deep sleep mode. It can also be used immediately after booting, and the longest battery life can reach 49.9 days, which is very powerful. Charging supports 33 watts fast charging. Mi Pad 6 is equipped with MIUI 14 system based on Android 13. This system is very powerful and runs very smoothly. In addition, Xiaomi Pad 6 also supports Dolby Atmos technology and Dolby Vision technology. These functions can allow users to have a better audio-visual experience. How do you feel about this Xiaomi Pad 6? If you want to see a detailed review of which functions, you can leave a comment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you soon.